Deborah Bennett, Artist-in-Residence at Levine Cancer Institute in Charlotte. This video will show you how to bind off your knitting project. Binding off your knitting project secures your stitches in the last row so they won't fall off. This is very important, especially after all the work you did knitting your project. So, let's bind off. So let's assume we're at the end of our knitting project and ready to bind off. First, we're going to knit the first 2 stitches from our left needle and put them on our right needle. Nothing new here. But then we're going to take our left needle, insert it into the bottom stitch of the right needle, pull it up and over the top stitch and off the needle. Then we're going to knit a second stitch onto the right needle and do the same thing. Go and get that stitch and pull it off and over the first stitch and off the needle. Knit another stitch to make 2 on the right needle. Then go get that stitch, the bottom stitch, pull it up over the top stitch and off the needle. Keep doing it, add a second stitch to the right needle, go and get that stitch, pull it off over the top stitch and off the needle, and the last stitch. Knit it onto the right needle, take your left needle, pull the bottom stitch over the top stitch and off the needle. And then you have 1 stitch left on your needle. You'll want to cut leave about a 6-inch tail again, cut this yarn, and then you're going to pull that yarn through the stitch on your right needle, and it will be locked into place. You have successfully secured your project, and congratulations, you have learned how to knit. I hope you continue to knit, as it is so therapeutic, and you can end up with some beautiful, beautiful projects. Thanks for tuning in today, and as always, stay safe.